This is where we saw Mercer. We must be getting close.
Okay, I gotta go have a cigarette after all that. Okay, we're back.
The stench. This place reeks of Falmer.
This must be their hive. We'll have to keep silent if we want to avoid drawing their attention.
Yep, there's a lot of them. So I guess the idea here is to avoid them, if at all possible. What have we here? That uniform looks really cool with the sorry, dude. Alright, well, nothing really is really here. Okay, into the hives of the Falmer. Stench. This place reeks of Falmer. Okay, please be quiet, everybody. We're having a prayer service here. What the hell happened? Oh, the swinging blades. Fucking saw blades.
Even the farmer don't deserve the pain these implements must have inflicted. The dwarves were a cruel race.
The dwarves were a cruel race. Okay, dudes. Might have had some better concern for safety. I don't want to pick that up because there's a great deal of loots here, and I won't take that dwarven dagger though. And the salt. Didn't accidentally pick up a Falmer weapon, did I? No. Okay. Yeah, that thing gives me the heebie-jeebies. I guess there's no way to do this except just to go through. Oh, good, nice stealth there, guys. Okay, pressure plate. Let's find out what this thing does. I doubt I can... That's what that does. But I just run like crazy. Hope you guys don't kill yourselves. Okay. Alrighty. F5.
There's a mass of the Falmer in this chamber. We can sneak through or take... Down. I don't care. As long as we get to Mercer.
Aye. Whatever you want to do, we're with you.
We'll try to avoid them. We'll walk through their dung heap here. Their steaming dung pile. White cat. By Manita. White cat. Hip stool. Hip stool. Blister wart. Okay, now we got a problem, Houston. This particular route is not taking us where we need to go, and my buddies are almost certain to bump into this Falmer. Nope, that doesn't get us anywhere. Alright, so we could start cutting some throats. Secure ourselves a little path here. Don't mind me. Just clear a path. Weird mushroom man. I'm grateful I have not yet encountered any Charis. They are unpleasant.
Water rushing through these pipes. They must be beneath the lake.
Okay. I'll take your imp stool. Up. Let's see. not yet to 100 health, so can't really do much there. Just have a base. Oh, I do have a base increase to stealth. But I mean, right now, they, you know, it's freaking well. Still, about to deal with Mercer. So I'd rather have as much stealth as I can. That being my primary weapon, really. I like your ass. I like your Falmer booty. I can't get that mushroom. Okay, guys, don't run into me, please. You're pushing me against the wall. Please don't. Dude, you're pushing me against the wall. Oh, dudes, I literally can't get out of here. Thank you. Okay. F5. I don't know what those chitinous sounds are beneath me, but I don't really want to find out either. Karis. Fortunately, they're almost as adept on blind as their masters. You know I really like your butt. I really like your butt. Oh, what's that? What's this? Jim? Okay. Yeah, I don't suppose there's any ramp here or anything, huh? Falmer are dirty creatures. Dirty creatures. Okay. Let me give myself a little bonus here. A potion of lockpicking. No, but I have my Thieves Guild. Lockpicking, yes. Man. Fudge buckets. I've done the whole circuit and I'm none the wiser as to where the sweet spot is. Okay. Well, it's near there. Okay, not that far. Not that far either. Very close. Close but no cigar. What is it? I just need to go and put a perk into lockpicking. No, I kind of feel it's a wasted perk in a way. Okay, how am I doing for, okay, well, I'm doing okay. Go put my Nightingale armor back on. Five. If you're gonna do a hard save too.
He's close. I'm certain of it. We must prepare ourselves.
Then this is it. We do this for Gallus and for the Guild.
He's here. And he hasn't seen us yet. Brynjolf, watch the door.
Aye, lass. Nothing's get by me.
Climb down that ledge. See if you can...
Carlisle, when will you learn you can't get the drop on me? When Brynjolf brought you before me, I could feel a sudden shift in the wind. And at that moment, I knew it would end with one of us at the end of a blade. What's Carlisle been filling your head with? Tales of thieves with honor? Oaths ripe with falsehoods and broken promises? Nocturnal doesn't care about you, the key, or anything having to do with the Guild. Revenge, is it? Have you learned nothing from your time with us? When will you open your eyes and realize how little my actions differ from yours? Both of us lie, cheat, and steal to further our own end. It's clear you'll never see the skeleton key as I do, as an instrument of limitless wealth. Instead, you've chosen to fall over your own foolish code. Then the die is cast, and once again my blade will taste Nightingale blood. Carlisle, I'll deal with you after I rid myself of your irksome companions. In the meantime, perhaps you and Brynjolf should get better acquainted.
What's happening? I can't stop myself.
Damn you, Mercer. Fight it, Brynjolf. He's taken control of you.
I'm sorry.
Okay, what we need here is poison of paralysis. Okay. Maybe I don't have one. How about poison? Yes. Stand still.
Is that the best you can You can't hide from me.
The problem is he moves around quite a lot. Actually not that hard to see when he becomes invisible. But the problem is that he... Shit. There he is. Shit. Great archery practice. Yeah, once you get arrows in him, it's much easier to track. Well, I think you're standing still long enough. Yeah, if you got an arrow in him, you can follow the arrow to some degree. Shit, wasting a lot of arrows here. Okay, Mercer, your moment's about to come up here. Alright.
Your life is mine!
You can do it this way. We'll wait till it comes back here. You'll give me what I want eventually. Hey, dumbass. Falmer. Skeleton key, glass arrows. Huh. Yes. Just loot. 400. Red-eyed Falmer sapphire. I'll take that. And good. Excellent.
Get the skeleton key and the eye,
Feed
and let's
them.
get out of here.
No luck there, lass. Something must have fallen on the other side of the door because it isn't moving.
We have to find another way out of here before the place fills with water.
Alright, let's pop an F5. Okay, find another way out of here. Okay. I'm guessing that the exit is up the roof somewhere. Oh, right here perhaps. Or not. Oh, or perhaps right there, in fact. Come on, folks. This way. Well, this place is filling up with water, so I will be heading in this way. And good luck to you. Okay, here we go.
Sorry, lad. I've got important things
Okay.
to do. We'll speak another time.
I can't believe it's over. 25 years in exile, and just like that, it's done. All that remains is to ensure the safe return of the skeleton key. I'm afraid it's not that simple. When the skeleton key was stolen from the Twilight Sepulchre, our access to the inner sanctum was removed. The only way to bring it back will be through the Pilgrim's Path. It wasn't created for the Nightingales. It was created to test those who wish to serve Nocturnal in other ways. As a consequence, I have no
good.
knowledge of
Well,
what you'll be facing. Brynjolf is needed back at the Thieves Guild to keep order while you're away. And I can't bear to face Nocturnal after my failure to protect the key. I'm afraid you'll have to face the end of your journey alone. Take this with you. I'm not certain if it will help within the walls of the Sepulchre, but I certainly don't need it as much as you. I've had this bow almost my entire life, and it's never let me down. I hope it brings you the same luck.
Okay, nice.
Even though Nocturnal doesn't desire worship in the traditional sense, the Twilight Sepulchre propagated a small group of priests. Of course, they'd never come into direct contact with Nocturnal, but they insisted they had her favor. As part of their duties, the priests created all sorts of baseless rituals and ceremonies, all on Nocturnal's behalf. These priests weren't a threat to the Skeleton Key, or the conduit to Nocturnal's realm, so they were tolerated. One of their ceremonies involved the Pilgrim's Path, a so-called test of worthiness. If a pilgrim was able to complete the path, it was said that they would live forever in Twilight. What that means is anyone's guess.
Okay. Let's do this thing.
Nightingale?
I'll be...
Sorry, lad. I've got important things to do.
Yep.
We'll speak another time.
I hope all your vague mutterings about the Pilgrim's Path gives me a map marker. Alright, hard save. Oof. That's kind of intense. Okay. I've got to have a smoke and go see what the severe weather is looking like outside. And then we'll be back. I'm sure this is going to be a multi-episode deal. Yeah, I've plopped out a whole lot of episodes here lately, but you know, I don't store the videos on my hard drive. I get them out as soon as I make them, and so you may have a situation like this where I just plop out a whole bunch of videos, and that's that, you know. So when I finish this, I'm sure I'll have a whole bunch of videos because I'm gonna keep it on till we finish, I think. But I gotta go have a smoke and I gotta go see how severe the weather is outside, and we'll be back.